Hello students, today we're going to continue working on our monotype printing unit. And this is part 2 of that assignment. A monotype is one print made on a metal or a plastic plate using ink, paint, or markers. Here are the materials that we need: cardboard, water, leaves, tissue, markers, and paper. Now you're going to start coloring your plate. You're going to start coloring from the top to the bottom, and the cardboard plate should be with the ink facing up. For example, if you have a logo, you see my Cheez-It is facing up. So that's what you want to do. You want the ink facing up. Now I'm using cool colors, some blues, some greens, and some purple. You could use warm colors, some yellows, some oranges, and some reds. It's up to you. But make sure that you have a minimum of 3 colors. Do not use Sharpie for this assignment because it will not work. You could use highlighters if you do not have the Crayola markers. Now you're going to put some leaves on top of the plate. Make sure you stay away from the edges of the cardboard plate. Arrange your composition how you want it. If you don't like the leaves here, then you arrange it how you want it. Once you're done, you're going to get a piece of paper and you're going to wet it. Make sure it's wetted all the way through. Get your cardboard back and put the piece of paper wet side down and rub gently. Make sure you go near the leaves, the edges of the leaves, so it could absorb all that ink. Now that you're done, you're going to gently pull the cardboard and the leaves, and you're going to create a beautiful monotype. Now we're going to create a ghost print. Wet your piece of paper, put it on top of whatever ink is left on your plate, rub gently, and now you're going to pull a ghost print. If you don't have a cardboard at home, you can use a magazine cover. This one, I'm going to be using warm colors, some yellows, some oranges, and some reds. Remember, you're going to use a minimum of 3 colors. And make sure that when you're using the magazine cover, the shiny side, you could feel it, and then that side should be up. If you do not have markers, you could use highlighters for this assignment. Now I'm adding a darker color, like a reddish orange, and then I'm going to add my red on top. Making sure that I color everything. Okay, go over, make sure that everything is colored. Now you're going to arrange the leaves on top. Remember, this is the same process. So stay away from the edges of your plate. Wet your piece of paper. Sure the paper is wet all the way through. You put the paper with the wet part face down and you rub gently, making sure that all that ink is absorbed by the paper. Then you're going to pull your print. See, you pull your print, and that's your monotype. Well, enjoy it and have fun. I want to see some great work.